Hi, everybody. Welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T. So I received some messages about this topic, finding sets and complements of sets for a real world situation. Frankly, I've never run into a real world situation where this was applicable, but it is one of your topics. So let's talk about how when a topic is really confusing, how we study for it. Okay, so you read the question. We have all of these strange names. Oh, and let me lock I need to lock this window. If I don't lock it, it will move all the way around. So let's lock the... Hopefully it'll sit still. Okay, right. So let's look at the explanation. So if we are given X, right? So in this one, we are given X. Let X be the set of the planets Bilk buys Galaxium from. So we are given X is the set of planets that Bilk buys from, right? So you highlight, or you can circle, or whatever you want to do. You can write them down. And then we are asked to find its complement, right? So this is the set of elements in U that are not in X, okay? So up here, we're given Alir, Bilk, Jazz, Lammy, PF, Sido, Tixo, and Will. So since U has those three that are in X, right? So if you look here, these are in X. Then we're going to, if we want the complement, then we need to grab all of the ones that are not in X, okay? And that is where you get the complement. Now, if we are given, let Y prime, and we can say the complement of Y, or we say Y prime, be the set of planet Tixo does not sell Galaxium 2. Right? And you see where the cells Galaxium 2 column, right? And we are given that Y prime is the set of planets that Tixo does not sell Galaxium 2. Then we have to pick all of the ones that are in the set that Tixo, the planet Tixo, sells Galaxium 2. So it's the opposite. Okay, so it's the opposite, because what we're saying is the planets that does not. So right here it says does not. I just want to make my pen a little bit stronger here, a little bit bigger. Oh, there it is. Okay, I want to make my pen a little bit bigger. Okay, so you go to, okay, it says Tixo does not sell Galaxium 2. So you're going to choose the opposite of what the Y would be, the ones that Tixo sells Galaxium 2. So it's the opposite, because it says in the question does not. Okay? So we're going to... Okay? So this is how you get your answer. All right? So we're going to actually try one. And you have to pay attention to the language, because it is tricky. I do understand that it is tricky. Okay? Okay, so for the question where we have blood types. So if I have X being the set that AB minus can donate blood to, then I need to go to the row AB minus. And if I want the complement of that, then I have to choose anything in the set that AB minus cannot donate blood to. So that would be, so if these are the ones I can donate to, then I would cross off AB plus, AB minus, and then everything else in the set would be the ones that AB minus cannot donate blood to, because that is what we're trying to do. If X is the set and I want the complement, then I'm going to choose AB plus, comma, B plus, A plus, it's going to be A positive, B positive, A negative, B negative, O positive, and O negative. And that is what you put in the box here. And then to do, or actually what they do is they give you Y prime is the type, it will be the set of blood types that B positive cannot donate blood to. Okay? So then you're going to think before you even look in the set, and let me erase all of this. Why is it not erasing? And I'm going to erase this too. So I'm going to look at the B positive, right? And then it says Y prime be the set of blood types that B positive cannot donate blood to. So you are going to choose just these two, because Y prime would be the set that B positive cannot donate blood to. So you're going to pick the ones that they can donate blood to. That's the opposite. It's just the opposite. Just think opposite a lot. Okay? So because this program that I'm using is a little bit difficult when it comes to typing in those answers, let me show you the solution. Okay. So what did I mention? That in the first one, you highlight or you can write down the ones that you can donate blood to, right? So this set is the elements that are not in X. So you just choose all of the ones from that set, you just cross them off, and then you pick all of the ones that were not included for this one. And then again, for Y prime, given Y prime, you find Y. So you go to where B positive is, and then because you were given that the set for that B positive cannot donate blood to, then you pick the two where you can donate to, and that would be your ending set. So anytime that you get one incorrect, try to find the pattern, and really what the pattern is, you choose the opposite. And then I think it's also important, let me erase all of this. I think it's also important for you to write down the list right here and then cross off the ones. So like I said before, if you go to AB negative, that the ones you can donate to is AB positive and AB negative, right? So you cross them off. Like if you just have to really block them out, and then your list is all of the ones remaining. You're just picking the opposite. So hopefully this helps. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time.